Hello my friends, today we can see how you can make propellers fans like this. As you can see in my mobile screen, it means in your mobile screen guys. Okay, so this is some designs you can see I designed in my AutoCAD. And if you have not seen how to download AutoCAD pre-activated version for totally free of cost, then please see this video. You will be able to download AutoCAD. Why you invest 1 lakh rupees for AutoCAD premium version? I will give you free of cost it. Okay, so please do it. Now let's draw the fan. Okay, at first you have to draw a line. You can choose any kind of distance as your own choice, but you have to draw a line like that. Okay, then please rotate your entire workspace and you can see this is your line. Okay, and on the ortho mode so that you can easily draw straight line. Okay, so let's draw a line perpendicularly 90-degree on this line. Okay, so now next this will look like you can see. Now let's proceed to our next stage. You have to check all these options. Okay, let me just unclick here and you can see there is no kind of end angle end point we can see in these lines. Okay, so you have to check these options. Okay, you can see there is no endpoint showing. Okay, now after checking, after clicking here, you can see the endpoint are showing. So what I did basically, so please click here. Now you can see I already checked, I already clicked all these options, endpoint, midpoint, everything. So you have to just click here. Okay, so please do it. This is the main setting, otherwise you cannot draw easily. Okay, now let's proceed. Now you have to connect this line, I mean this. Okay, so after connecting this, you can see this look like a triangle. Okay, then angle is 90-degree. Now after this, okay, after this what you have to do? So yes, now we will move this line straightly. Okay, so please click here, then please move this line a little bit, and then I will move this line forward. Okay, so let's click here, this is the move button. Okay, now click here, please. Okay, just little bit. Okay, so after this just erase the extra part. Okay, so this is your fan's basic structure. Basic two line will look like. Okay, now I have to connect the endpoint. Okay, so let's connect the endpoint, nothing else. Okay, just do it. Please connect the endpoint. This is very easy, basic things. You will easily do it. The first one, now enter. Now please, now the second one. Okay, let's do it. This is your second one, and now you can see this is your fan's basic skeleton will look like. Okay, now what you have to do? Now you have to convert it into a plane. This is not a plane, this is just the structure, the lines. Now you have to convert it plane by so that you have to go in surface, then network. Then what you have to do? You have to just click here, then opposite, and then enter. Then you have to click here and then the opposite line. Okay, now click enter. Now you will see this is your surface. The surface is generated perfectly. Okay, this is your surface. Now if I rotate it, you can see this is your surface look like this. Now I will show you in realistic way. Okay, just go in realistic and you can see, boom, this is your fan blade. Now is there any kind of thickness? There is no thickness. Okay, so you have to apply thickness here. There are many more ways to do fan blade, to draw fan blade like this. If you comment me, then next video, in the next video I will definitely show you another 2 or 3 options. I have lots of way to do it. We have lots of way to do it. Okay, so now let's do it. Okay, let's create thickness. At first not 2, I will give it 1 because 2 is big, more big. Okay, so yes, 1. Now we can see this is your thickness of your blade. Okay, now this is just one blade. Now we have to draw fan. Okay, that's why I will go in top plate and here I will draw a circle. Okay, just according to your measurement, please do it. I am doing as per my measurement. Okay, so please draw a circle. it will look like this perpendicularly. Okay, now move your cursor. Okay, so this is your circle at the bottom. Okay, now what I will do, I will just do little bit design. I will go in fillet command and then press 10, and you can see my fan structure is now aerodynamic. Okay, you have to make the fan structure aerodynamic also. Okay, so you can see it now the corner of the blade becomes sharper. Okay, so you have to just do it by fillet. Okay, so now just click fillet, and then what you have to do, you have to just move your cursor, move your mouse cursor, and at the corner, and then enter, then give the dimension, and then enter. Okay, so you can see this is your blade will look like this. Okay, aerodynamic. Okay, so you have to just ensure that your blade design is aerodynamic, otherwise lots of problem may be occurred. Your blade will not give proper thrust or proper many kind of things. Okay, so now please save it. Without saving, don't draw anything, because save is very necessary, otherwise your every work will suddenly get damaged, suddenly get deleted, and then you will face lots of issues. Okay, so just save it. After saving it, now let's draw the fan. Okay, so yes, now what I will do, I will do a basic things. I will draw multiple fans. Okay, multiple fins. That's why click here, now array, then go in array, then polar. Okay, for polar click the circle polar and just enter. Okay, now you can see there is options to give the fans number. Okay, means fins number, blades number basically. Okay, so here I will give 12, and you can see this is 12. Okay, now if in your if you use first time this array option, then annotate option will be clicked here, clicked, so just click it. Okay, now you can see yes, this will look like this. Okay, now if you click here, then all the option will be get selected. Now we have to select only one. That's why press here, then exploit. Okay, just write exploit, and then exploit command, then it will just select only one. Okay, so after this, just save it. And what I will do here, now I will draw a small circle here. Okay, okay, just do just create a small circle, and after this I will use press pull command. Okay, so yes, go in press pull command, then apply the press pull for the big circle, then okay, then do it, give the dimension, give the height. Okay, after this I'll give 10. Yes, now our fan approximately 80% ready. Now what I will do, I will apply press pull command again to make to create a hole. For this to just click on your small circle, then height, give it more height than the bigger one. Okay, now after this we have to just separate this small one to larger one. Okay, just use separate tool, and this is your big one, select it, enter, then small one, select it, enter. Okay, now yes, you are done, your fan 90% ready. Okay, now what I will do, your top option, you have to just use fillet option. Okay, just click here, and then give your dimension, then enter. Okay, so 5 will be not be justified, I will give smaller. Okay, just give it to 2, and yes, here you can see the looks of fan changed, totally changed. Okay, so this is your blade, this is your fan design. Now there are one way to make it more interesting. Let me show you the way. Okay, for this you have to just erase the disk, just erase it, and we will create another more interesting and more beautiful disk, like in plane or drone. For this, what you have to do, you have to just move your small circle upside horizontally. Okay, please move it now. Yes, we did it. Now what you have to do, you have to just use Lofi command to make it more interesting. I use Lofi command. Yes, the bigger one, enter, the small one, enter. Okay, yes, enter. Now yes, we did it. Now draw angle. Okay, we will draw the angle, just give it a right angle. Okay, just okay, just do it. Okay, let me do it. Yes, yes, now did it. I think this is fair. Now cross section view. Okay, now boom, this is your fan ultimate look. I hope you would like it. If you have any kind of queries, please comment in the comment section. And if you want similar kind of videos related to AutoCAD, I can make lots of things using AutoCAD. I can teach you also. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Tata, bye bye. Please subscribe so that I can give you more content like this. Thank you. Tata, bye bye.